Sorry, we couldn't update your profile picture popping up when you try to change your profile on Instagram. Well, let me guide you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Instagram error. Sorry, we couldn't update your profile picture popping up while you try to change your profile. Now, if you open up the Instagram app here and head into the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right corner of the screen, and here tap on edit profile, you will be able to edit your picture or profile picture here. Now, if you can't do it, then it might just be that your internet connection is slow. Now, check your internet connection, try switching between your networks and try switching between mobile data or other Wi-Fi networks and make sure your internet connection is strong. However, if this isn't the issue, then try restarting your app again. You can just close your app again and then restart it again. But if it still doesn't help, then it might just be that the update is available and your app isn't updated. So head over to your Play Store or App Store and search in for Instagram, and once here, if you are on Android, you'll get the update option with an interface like this, and you'll get update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Or whichever Play Store, App Store you are on, you'll get the update option instead of open option. Just update it and try it again. And if this still doesn't fix the issue, then what you want to do is reset the app. Now, to do so, scroll down your notification bar and head into your phone settings. You can see settings icon on the top right corner of your screen right here. Once on settings, scroll down and you'll find the option apps. Open it up and here search for Instagram. Now I'll just do a quick search here on my search bar, and you can see Instagram popping up here. And once on Instagram, what you want to do is head into your stories and clear your data. Now this will reset the app. And once you do this, tap on clear data and it'll ask for confirmation, and then delete it and then head into app and log in to your account again. Once you do this, your issue should be fixed and you should be able to change your profile picture. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.